How to fix Gemini not working on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can fix if your Gemini app is not working. The very first thing you need to do is obviously go ahead and check for any updates on Gemini. So I'll just go over to Google Play Store, tap on the search bar and search for Gemini. Hit enter. And if there are any updates available on Gemini, you need to update the application to its latest version. And once you have updated the app, you need to go to your settings menu. From you just go back here and find your app settings. So go ahead and tap on apps, and from the list of your apps, find Gemini. So I'll just go here, tap on Gemini. Then you can go to storage, clear cache, and then if you want, you can clear data as well. Then you need to go to permissions, and if there are any permissions required, you need to allow all of the permissions. Then go to battery, make sure it's selected to optimized or unrestricted. Go back and try to force stop the app once. What it does is, if there are any background requests going on, you need to go ahead and force stop the app. And finally, what you can do is try to archive the app as well. So once you archive it, if you have the option, your Gemini will be temporarily disabled. Now, if you want to use it again, you need to unarchive it again and restore the app and try to see if that works. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.